In this video, we're showing you a quick solution for powering the Tascam Portacapture X8 through USB-C. So the Tascam Portacapture X8 has been our go-to audio recorder since 2022. And for most of our productions, we've been able to get by powering the recorder using 4 AA batteries. However, there have been a few occasions where it would have been nice to have a longer lasting power solution. Fortunately, the X8 can be powered through USB-C. So we purchased this Baseus portable charger with USB-C in and out. To keep things sleek and tidy, we opted for a short USB-C to USB-C cable, just long enough to connect the power bank to the recorder. But there was a minor hiccup. The angle was a bit awkward, so entered this 90-degree adapter by JSaux, and it was a seamless fit. To attach the power bank to the recorder, we added a couple of Velcro squares, which isn't the most elegant solution, but it does get the job done. We put this setup to the test and discovered that we could squeeze out over 16 hours of continuous recording using this power bank, which is a far cry from the 3 to 4 hours we get using the AA batteries alone. When the power bank eventually runs dry, the X8 seamlessly switches over to the internal AA batteries. No pesky audio clipping or popping to worry about when making the transition from USB-C power to the AA battery power. And that's a reassuring safety net if your cable accidentally gets disconnected during recording. Here's a quick audio test so you can hear what I mean. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll make sure to leave links for every item that we mentioned in this video in the description below. And until next time, happy recording.